feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music and the chase, like this was meant to be.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm starting off with a little haul. The first things I'm showing are some things from Lowe's that I got. Some cleaning supplies.
Time and stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us. It's all about.
Okay, now I'm moving on to my Ollie haul, and I also got some things from Sam's.
Feel your hands, the way you're touching me around my neck. Got chills down my back, you do it right. The way you're holding me, no, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it, I cannot hide it. We won't regret it, so come with me. Maybe we're meant to be a perfect melody, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history.
Now I'm just moving on to do some decorating. This is Saturday.
As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. I can't get enough. Oh, it's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Can't get enough.
Now I'm just putting the clean sheets back on the bed.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone could.
Now I'm just adding some filtered water to my rainbow air purifier, and then I'm adding some Joy essential oil. It really makes the room smell amazing.
I'm always feeling homesick. Oh. All I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh. I have seen many.
Here I am in the process of switching the smaller blanket ladder to this bigger one that my dad built me. I kind of fail at making the blankets work in there, so this is a work in progress.
Perhaps I'm going back.
Okay, and now I'm just making some roller balls with my essential oils.
I have, oh,
it's just time to clean up the living room.
No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick.
I'm moving on to my next project, which was making Joy linen spray. So I'm just using Young Living Joy essential oil and some witch hazel to make it.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
Okay, so now that I completed the linen spray and it smelled amazing, I'm moving on and making Pumpkin Spice Thieves Cleaner. I will say I do really just like the regular Thieves Cleaner. I think when you add essential oils, more at least, it kind of streaks up the mirrors and stuff, but it smelled amazing.
Until my lungs give out, I'm gonna let the sun shine in today, and I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken, and take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. Give me love, give me all your love. Oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand.
Okay, now I'm moving on to more cooking related things, so I'm just cleaning the tomatoes. I'm soaking them in water and vinegar in this bowl.
And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other.
Now I'm moving on to more of my meal prep, so I'm just starting the pasta.
I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
Okay, now it's time to unload the dishwasher.
All your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
Opening my new essential oil holder from Young Living. I start to fill it up, but then I get distracted, but I do go back and finish it before this video ends. Now I'm just getting back to my meal prep in the kitchen.
inside. I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came in way too strong. Cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof. Bottle your taste. It's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. It's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you, I've lost you. I keep on looking for you.
Okay, this is Sunday, so I'm just making the bed. Okay, now it was just a good time to do a deep clean on the kitchen table, so I'm just taking everything off and giving it a good wipe down. Just putting my Thieves Pumpkin Spice Cleaner to use, and I'm cleaning the master bathroom.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close.
on to the other bathroom. Okay, now it's back in the kitchen to rinse off the dishes and put them in the dishwasher.
And so every night I dream it. I'm starting to believe in what you say when I'm asleep and that you
just cleaning up the rest of the kitchen.
I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. We're on a journey, looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now.
finishing up adding the essential oils to the essential oil holder in the living room. Okay, now it's time for me to vacuum the whole house.
Moonlight and fire, dancing closely together and staying forever young. What about you and I then? Can we two find a way to align with each other? Let's move closer to a new history. Find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together. Yeah. To go on together.
Okay, now it's time to mop, and guess what I'm using to mop with? Thieves. I absolutely love it.
Don't think I'm ready for you. Don't think you're ready for me either.
I know you've been with her too long. It's okay, I'm just saying. What if she told you that she still likes you and she wants you to come back? Would you go and pretend like I'm nothing, although you want her, want her, want her? I need you back, back, back. 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 Tryna figure who I am, and I want us both to understand. No misunderstandings, things left unsaid. No, I don't, no, I don't, no, I don't. What if she told you that she still likes you and she wants you to come back? Would you go and pretend like I'm nothing, although you want her, want her, want her? I need you back, back.
Okay, now I'm just emptying out the mop bucket and then cleaning the utility sink.
I need you back, back, back. I need you back, back, back. You can have your cake and eat it too. If you choose it, you will lose me too. Can go around and be scared of losing you when you love someone else.
Okay, now it's time for me to steam mop the second bathroom.
Wants you to come back. Would you go and pretend like I'm nothing, although you want her, want her, want her? I need you back, back, back. 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 I need you back.
Okay, here I'm just taking out the new microfiber cloths so I can wash them. And then I'm cleaning the laundry room a little bit as well.
Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time?
Okay, and lastly, I'm just adding chlorine to the pool. I think it's a nice ending. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a wonderful day. Please subscribe.
What if you were gone?